the Copart Rebuild.
Hello all, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this.
Wheels. So before we continue this project and the SL63 bumper retrofit, these wheels just have to go. I ordered these 20-inch wheels, which I think will fit very well on this car model. And here we are, they are all fitted, but now we desperately need to lower this car. This just looks ridiculous if you ask me. So I will be using these lowering links that are adjustable, and right next to it you can see the OEM link. And this is what the OEM link looks like in the rear that we need to click off and replace with a new one. And here's the top, and be really careful when you pry this off so you don't break the arm there. And then you just click the new link in place. Make sure you fit that rubber seal first. And then do the same at the bottom. Sorry for the shaky camera, but it's kind of narrow to film here. I'll do my best. And for the front links, you just have to raise the car, you don't have to remove the wheel, and then you do the same thing here as you did on the back. And here is the result of the lowering kit. Big difference if you ask me. But now we see that we desperately need some spacers as well to make that perfect look. So I don't know if this shows, but these are way too far in. I have spacers here. To get them out and see if I can. It's very hard to film that, but that's what it looks like before. And this is after. And here we have a before and after pic, and I think it says it all. I'm very happy with how this turned out. We have 20-inch wheels, a lowering kit, and spacers. In rear I have a 20mm spacer, and in front it's 15mm. And here's some of the things that are planned for upcoming videos. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. And next video, I promise you, it will be the SL63 bumper that we will install. Till next time, see ya!